translucent in the butter in the pan. We want to add a few more elements to it. I like to roll the lemon out a little bit. That'll get some of the juices loose in there, and so you have more of a juicy lemon. Let's go ahead and cut that in two and squeeze it in. I like to use my fingers here, because then if there's any seeds like that one that comes out, you just get it caught already. And you don't necessarily have to strain this. So we got a nice sizzle. I like to turn this down to about medium now instead of medium high. You want to put just a splash of wine in here. You'll be adding 3/4 of a cup. We'll be adding this. You want to get some salt in there. And a little bit of paprika. This is going to add a little color to it and some flavor. So just put that amount in there, and we want to stir that around. And you'll see the paprika gives it that nice color, rich color to it.